It is a new year. Happy New Year. I am so glad to be saying that to you and just wishing you all the best for this year because this is a big year. It's the start of a new decade. Personally, it's really big because I turn 50 this year, the big 50. I've been talking about this a few times the last year, and I mean, it's here, it's now. I mean, this is it. So this is going to be a big year for me, and I know I've got big goals, and I have skincare goals myself. How I want my skin to look and feel, as I'm heading into my 50th birthday, and I want to know from you. How do you want your skin to look and feel this year? What are your goals for your skin in 2020? When you walk into a room, how do you want to feel? Do you want to feel that confidence that comes from knowing that your skin looks great and you feel great about it? That's important. This isn't about vanity. It's about healthy skin and also healthy confidence. That translates to mindset and belief. It's so much deeper. So I'm going to ask again, what do you want for your skin this year? New year, new you. Do you want to look 10 years younger? Do you want to finally have clear skin? Do you want to diminish the look of dark spots and discolorations so that you feel comfortable leaving the house with just moisturizer on if you have to, run some errands? Or go bare and just, wear some killer smoky eye makeup and a pale lip and rock it? Like, what is it that you want for this year? Do you want to walk in to that presentation and just know that your skin looks great, you feel great, have a positive impact in all areas of your life? Let me know below. I really want to hear from you what you want for your skincare goals this year, and also other goals. What's your big goal for this year? I'm going to be doing something really special. I'll be telling you about it here in the coming week, but we're going to do some new year, new you that is skincare and beyond. So you definitely don't want to miss it. Comment below and just let me know. What goals do you want for your skin? How do you want your skin to look and how do you want to feel in 2020? Take care. Talk to you soon.